Good morning, everybody. My name is Mr. David, and this is Friday Storytime at Casson Public Library. Well, this is our last Friday Storytime of the school year, but starting June 8th, you can find us for our summer reading program Storytimes. We will be out Tuesday mornings at 10 o'clock and Thursday afternoons at 1:30 at Veterans Memorial Park. So come by at those times. We'll be there. We'll share a couple of stories and have a lot of fun. Also, our summer reading program starts June 7th, and reading logs will be available starting June 4th. We hope to see you a lot this summer. But now today's story is about Memorial Day. Memorial Day is Monday, and a lot of people are going to be off this weekend. Maybe go up to the cabin, do some boating, do a lot of grilling. But we also want to remember what Memorial Day is about. It's about the soldiers who went off to war and didn't make it back home. And so today we are going to read Rolling Thunder. It's about a motorcycle rally that's held every year in Washington, D.C. for Memorial Day. Rolling Thunder Freedom Ride. Today we'll be at Grandpa's side. Early morning, leaving home, gleaming wheels and polished chrome. Grandpa rides for Joe and Tom, friends he lost in Vietnam. Clicking, clacking railroad track. Our trip is for Uncle Zach. Flying airplanes far away, his picture rides with me today. Through my window, buildings, towns, meadows rich with greens and browns. Now our journey's almost done. Obelisk and setting sun. There you can kind of see Washington, D.C. in the windows. Pentagon and city lights. Finally, our camping sites. Grandpa's friends with arms of steel greet us and prepare a meal. Potomac River, dark and deep, whispered memories, friendship, sleep. Way too early, morning light, blooms from pink to yellow bright. Lines of bikes are miles long, shining 500,000 strong. Rumbling, grumbling, engines roar, peace signs, high fives, spirits soar. Motors growling, roaring near, crowds that cry and wave and cheer, raising flags of white and black for those who never made it back. For soldiers lost in other days, POWs, MIAs. For soldiers serving still today, missing families far away. Rolling, slowing to a crawl. Stopping, there it is. The wall. It's the Vietnam Veterans Memorial. Polished marble, stark and bare. Touch a name and say a prayer. Leave a single flower, kneel, names in charcoal, cry and heal. Memories, speeches, quiet crowd, bugle song, and heads are bowed. Setting sun and rising moon, whispered wishes, come home soon. Bound by war, forever tied, one last look, it's time to ride. Rising smoke and glowing ember, ride for freedom, ride, remember.